So in our previous lecture, successfully we have loaded user information. Now what we will do, we are just going to work on this logout API. For that, open this user slice. From here, I will copy this function. Below this, I will be pasting function name. I will write logout. Here action type, I will be passing logout. Here we do not need any payload, so we will be passing underscore, and in place of this profile we will be passing logout. Let me open user routes, and for logout we are using post request and route is logout, so we will be passing post. And inside this we are going to pass one object. Inside this we will pass with credentials. For this we will assign the value true. Why? Because whenever we are performing logout operation, we are just going to delete the cookie. So that is the reason here we will be passing with credentials to be true, which means it will also include cookies. Then finally we are returning data, and this entire thing will be same. Now scroll down. We will be adding the cases. I will copy. Below this I will be pasting, and here I will write logout user. And before that, inside this catch block, I will change the message. I will write logout failed. Now first, I will be changing the function copy, paste, and here also paste. So inside this pending, no need to change anything. Inside this fulfilled, false, error will be null. User, we will set to null. We are not accessing any information. So user, I will set to null, and is authenticated directly. I'm just going to set to false. Then inside this rejected case, loading, and this will be the error message. From here, I'm just going to remove these two values. Okay, whenever user logs out, we are just going to set is authenticated to be false, as well as we will not have any user information. So once is authenticated is false, what happens? The condition fails and I will not be loading user information. Again, if I want to show user information, again I have to log in and I have to display the user. But now in our project, what happens? Even if we load the user, we are still having this register icon. But in our demo, if the user is present, we should not display that icon. So here, we are just going to open navbar.jsx, and inside this, we have already assigned the value is authenticated to be false, and based on that, we are rendering icon and profile picture. But now manually, we are not going to create is authenticated. Instead, we are going to access the value from the state. So const is authenticated is equal to use selector. Here I will be writing state, and inside this I will write state.user. If is authenticated is true, then only user profile will be shown. If is authentication is false, only then this register icon will be shown. Let me come to my project. Now you can see that register icon is gone and entire thing is working fine. And this is very simple logout API. Just change the values and display this entire cases.